Hi guys, are you looking for the best inflatable paddleboard? In this video we will discuss the best inflatable paddleboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. Number 1. Serene Life Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Commendable balance and strength. Bigger space on the deck. The deck is made of a non-slip surface. Best board for newbies. 3-fin system. The Serene Life is known for its large deck space. This deck space is responsible for the stability and balance of the board. The top of the board is made of a soft non-slip material, therefore the users can stay on the board easily without slipping off, and if they are new and fall onto the board, the soft pad is a nice feature. This feature is why this board is highly preferred by people who are new to stand-up paddleboarding. The board also comes with a 3-fin system that makes controlling the board extremely easy. The fins help one steer the board, control the speed and paddle. It is desired with ease and convenience. The board is a great choice not only because of its features and characteristics but also because of the accessory pack that comes with the board. The board has an accessory pack that includes paddles, a backpack for storing their board when Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard W3 Premium. Product features made of high-quality PVC material, durable and reliable, commendable level of buoyancy, great for newbies. The inflatable rock support offers excellent value for money and is definitely one of the best inflatable stand-up paddle boards. You get an awesome and high-quality paddle board and a whole kit of paddling accessories that you would generally need to buy separately. You'll get a collapsible aluminum paddle, a hand pump to easily inflate the board, and a waterproof rock bag that can be strapped to the board to carry your essentials. Measuring 10 feet long, 32 inches wide and 6 inches thick, the rock board is slightly shorter and wider than some boards. This design makes it more stable and better suited for beginner paddlers, children and families, but still fun and exciting for seasoned paddleboarders. Another benefit to the rock board is that it is very lightweight, only 17.5 pounds. This Number 3. Bluefin Cruise Sup Package Stand-Up Inflatable Paddleboard. Product features 8 feet x 33 inch 6 inch thick, 287 pounds weight, capacity 3 fins. People choose an inflatable paddle board because it is easy to paddle, prepare, pack and transport. Regardless of your skill level, it can surely cater to your needs. If you are a beginner, then pick up boards that you will not outgrow in the process. Bluefin is an all-rounder that is fit for light travel up to extreme races. The exosurface laminate technology keeps it durable even in the worst conditions. This paddle board is also convertible. It can convert to a kayak using an inclusive D-ring conversion kit. Its smart lock fin system will remove your worry of losing metal parts in the water. Additionally, a GoPro mount is built on the nose to keep your adventures documented. This 10.8 feet is up can seat an extra passenger, so you can maybe bring your pet. Number 4. Best Way Hydro Forces new inflatable stand-up paddle board. Equipped with a kayak seat, the Best Way Hydro Forces in a paddleboard offers something truly unique. Besides using it as a standard SUP, you can easily transform it into a kayak hybrid and paddle it from a seated position. The provided seat is comfy and adjustable, and the package even comes with the leg rest as for the ocean. Board itself, it's 10 feet long, which gives it very decent speed on the water. On the other hand, the width of 33 inches provides impressive stability and makes it one of the most stable models in our inflatable paddle boards reviews. The deck is padded with EVA foam to make paddling comfortable and comes equipped with bungee storage and several D-rings for attaching gear. When talking about the accessories, the most interesting detail is the 2-inch-1 kayak paddle originally in, or the handle can be removed and replaced with an additional blade provided so you can transform it into a real kayak paddle. The package also includes a high-quality pump, an angle leash and rugged bag for storing everything. The board is made from high-quality PVC and perfected with the Drive Fun Water Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. Its overall length of 11 feet and 33 inches. Fun Water brings that hardboard type stability to this inflatable paddle board. The 6-inch thick board can support more weight, so you can do even your paddle yoga with ease and safety. This proportion is ideal not just for calm and deep waters but also for rivers and streams. The deck is made of military-grade double-wall drop-stitch fabric fabric and a soft deck pad. With this your paddling can get more comfortable and pet-friendly, hence this type of material is also airproof and scratch-resistant. The Fun Water Paddle package comes with a high-pressure pump and 3 removable fins. It also has a coil leash repair kit and phone case, all in a convenient carry backpack. As for the ocean board itself, it's 10 feet long, which gives it very decent speed on the water. On the other hand, the width of 33 inches provides impressive stability and makes it one of the most stable models in our inflatable paddle boards reviews. The deck is padded with EVA foam to make paddling comfortable and comes equipped with bungee storage and several D-rings for attaching gear. Pros: ultralight wearproof PVC board rails with double wall